Welcome to Sergio Creativity.
The DNA of Finnish pronunciation. Welcome to your first step into Finnish. In this method, there is no writing and no memorization. If you feel yourself trying to memorize, stop. Just follow the logic. If you need a moment to think, hit the pause button after I ask a question. First, let's talk about the most important rule in the Finnish language, the stress. In English, the stress moves around. Photograph, photographer. In Finnish, the stress is like a heavy hammer that always hits the first syllable. Always. Let's try a greeting. To say hi, we say moi. Leo, say hi. Moi. Good. To say goodbye, we just double it. Moi moi. Sarah, try that, and remember to stress that first moi.
Moi moi.
Perfect. Now let's look at the alphabet logic. Finnish is a phonetic language. This means it is spelled exactly as it sounds. One letter equals one sound. Let's start with the vowel A. It's not A, it's a deep ah, like in the word father or car. Leo, say ah. Ah. Now imagine you're ordering a salad. The word is salati. Sarah, try to say salati. Remember, stress the first syllable, and every A is an ah.
Salati.
Excellent. Now, here's the secret to the Finnish rhythm. If you see a letter once, it is short. If you see it twice, it is long. It's like a musical beat. In salati, notice the double A and the double T. Leo, say salati again, but stretch that first A and hold the T for a split second. Salati. Exactly. It's like a tiny hiccup in the middle of the T. Now let's try the letter I. It sounds like the E in feet. If you want to say coffee, it's kahvi. Sarah, how do you say coffee?
Kahvi.
Good. Now, what if the I is double, like the word for wind, tuuli? Leo, try tuuli. Tuuli. Now we come to the dotted vowels. These are the ones that scare people, but they are very logical. First is eh. Think of the word apple or cat. It's that wide eh sound. The word for mother is äiti. Sarah, try äiti.
80.
No, remember, it's not a like a name. It's a like apple. Try again.
Äiti.
Better. Next is This is like the U in burn or bird. The word for a summer cottage is mekki. Leo, give me mekki. Remember the double K hiccup. Mekki. Perfect. Finally, the letter Y. In English, we think of Y. In Finnish, it's a vowel. It sounds like the U in huge. To make this sound, make your lips into a tight circle like you're going to whistle, but try to say E. The word for night is Sarah, try that combination. Whistle-shaped lips, say E, then move to
Jö.
You've got it. Let's do a quick logic check. Imagine you're spelling your email address over the phone. The letter J is always a ya sound, like yellow. The letters C and B are only in loan words. Leo, how would you spell the name S-A-M-I using Finnish sounds? S-A-M-E. Exactly. And Sarah, if you are reading a website address, dot is piste. How do you say moi.com?
Moi.com.
Brilliant. You've learned the 3 pillars of Finnish. Stress the first syllable. Double letters means double the time. Every letter speaks its own name. In the next lesson, we'll start building these sounds into full sentences. Nähdään pian. See you soon.